parameters in terms of t parameters. Express y parameters in terms of t parameters. First write down y parameters here. Y parameters are nothing but I1 equals to y11 v1, y12 v2. Call this as equation number 1. I2 y21 v1, y22 v2. Call this as equation number 2. Then write down t parameters. T parameters are nothing but v1 equals to a into v2 minus b into I2, v2 c into v2, sorry, here it is I1, c into v2 minus d into I2. Call this as equation number 3. Call this as equation number 4. Alright, now consider equation number 3. Consider equation number 3. We will get b into I2 equals to, do simplify this, b into I2 equals to v1 plus a into v2. Is that right? Let us move this term to the LHS side. Let us move v1 to the RHS side. We will get b into I2 equals to, so if it comes here, it is negative sign, then plus a into v2. Then what is I2? I2 equals to minus 1 divided by b into v1 plus a divided by b into v2. Call this as equation number 5. Then compare equation number 2 with 5. Compare equation number 2 with 5. We will get y21 equals to minus 1 by b next y22 equals to a by b. Alright, we are in need of 2 more parameters, so that substitute equation number 5 in equation number 4. I1 equals to c into v2, I1 equals to c into v2 minus d I2, we have calculated here, substitute, minus v1 divided by b plus a divided by b into v2. Do simplify. C into v2 minus into minus plus d divided by b into v1 minus into plus minus a into d divided by b into v2. I1 equals to, I will write this term first, d by b into v1 plus, from this term I will take a v2 common. For these two terms I will take a b as an LCM. Then this c term is multiplied with a b into c minus a into d. Okay, if we write t parameters in terms of matrix, its determinant equals to AD minus BC. Determinant of this matrix is what? A into T minus B into C. Using this property in this equation, we will get I1 equals to D by B into V1 here. Determinant of t, we can write this as a delta of t, but we can see here it is minus of determinant of t, so that I will write here minus of delta of t divided by b into v2. Call this as equation number 6. Now compare equation number 1 with equation number 6, so that y11 equals to d by b, y12 equals to minus delta t divided by b. You should know what you mean by delta t here. Is that okay? Have you understood this derivation? Now see here, y parameters, they are expressed in terms of t parameters. So what is y11 here? Here y11, in this case instead of a, b, c, d, here taken variables as t11, t12, t21, t22. Both are one and the same in this table. Do not get confused. I have used here A, B, C, D. Here in this table used T11, 12, T21 and T22. They are one and the same. So what is Y11? Y11 is what? It is D. Y12 is what? It is B. D by B. Is that correct? Y11 equals to a D by B. What is y12? Minus delta of t divided by t12. T12 is what? Again b. Means delta t divided by a b. Delta t divided by b. Minus n is multiplied. Y21 minus 1 divided by t12. T12 means what here? Again b. Minus 1 by 2. Yeah, it is there. Y22 a by b. T11 it is a. T12 it is b, so that it is nothing but a by b, right? So the y parameters can be written in terms of t parameters using these values.